Now we have activation. At this stage, your audience are not just interested in your product and service. They have a high intent level, but they need one last push to cross the finish line. So you can use email marketing to give them that push. So for e-commerce specifically, it's essential to create a drip campaign for your cart abandoners. So whenever someone adds to cart and doesn't complete the checkout process, basically they can add a drip campaign to remind them to complete it. So this is how it looks like. Feel free to change it, of course. So email number one, like, hello, sir, you forgot your cart, like it was not empty. Did you forget to complete the checkout process? So that's the first reminder. The second day, you send them a second reminder, like, hey, by the way, you left your cart still full. Do you want to complete the checkout process? And then one day later, you want to push them even closer, and you can offer a coupon code. Like, hey, 2 days ago, you left your cart without completing the checkout process. Here's 20% discount that can help you out. So that's the point of email marketing in activation stage, is to give them that one last push. I think for e-commerce, it's super relevant if, you offer them a discount once they abandon their cart. And you can do this for B2B. So whenever someone finishes the trial period, you can send them a reminder also, like, hey, your period will expire in 5 days. Hey, it expired. Here's 10% discount if you want to renew it, or you can get an extension on your existing free trial. So you can experiment with this in B2B and in B2C. Here's one example with Mango. They are quite creative with the way they design their abandonment email marketing campaign. So they use a kitten and a puppy to play on emotion, because once you see this, like, oh, okay, take my money again. So they have wait, don't go, leaving too soon. Here's 20% off. So please complete your checkout process. So I think that's a creative way on how to do this. Another example, which is for B2B and SaaS, you can also, here we have Headspace, and they offer you a 40% discount as well if you finish your trial and they want you to get activated. And also, it's super important at the activation stage, if your audience are during the free trial period, I think this is super relevant for SaaS, is to show them how your product works. Because imagine I'm using your product, I'm in the free trial, you want me to go premium afterwards, right? So what happens here is basically you have to send them some tips and tricks on how to use the product in a good way. So I get activated and I now have a higher chance to go premium. So one example, which is something I love, is by Copy.ai. So Copy.ai, it's a copywriting tool, and now they have GPT-4 as part of their solution. And every day they send me a daily prompt. So daily prompt to help you adjust your tone and voice. Then the next day we have a daily prompt to help you turn your product specs into copy. Then we have another one to help you with unlocking the full potential of your events. So every day they have a different prompt for me, and they want me to take that prompt and use it in Copy.ai to get value. And if I get that value, there's a high chance I will go premium when the whole thing expires. So I think that's a perfect example of email drip campaigns to help you out. And I think also Natasha agrees. Are you using their prompts? Are they working for you? For me, I love them. And I'm using those, to be honest, with ChatGPT. I'm not using Copy.ai, but I'm still part of their email newsletter.